Heidi with Hike Bites. We're on our way to Stoddard Falls, and we're looking forward to a really fun day of swimming, maybe going down the water slide if it's deep enough. I'm going to inspect for rocks, of course. And there's quite a few cars in the parking lot. We're here on a Wednesday, about 8:30. It's already 82 degrees.
And it's our 33-year anniversary.
Woohoo!
Woo!
We made it 33, you can too. So not only take a hike with us, today's, I guess, what, a romantic walk? I don't know. This is our romantic occasion, and you know, we love playing outdoors, so here we are. So we found some tips from some girl named Tiffany online from 2020. It was 3 years ago, and she showed the route down. We've been here twice because there's no all trails directions here or navigation. So we're going to try to help you find your way to get down safely. And she said this way is less slippery, less steep, and we'll see if that instructions is correct. We'll let you know. We're at Stoddard Falls in San Gabriel Mountain. I don't know if we'll be able to use this tape. The water flow is so heavy. Look at that, guys.
It's so beautiful.
And the water slide's right up there. What were you going to say?
I was just going to say it's so clear. Look at that.
Unbelievably clear. So this is the approach to Stoddard to get down to the fall. Heidi's already started her descent. You want to look for this big tree, the rock, and a rope. How's it going, Heidi? It's going. All right, I'm coming to join you. So we're starting the approach to Stoddard Falls, and it's kind of a dicey boulder climb, a little boulder scrambling, but not too bad. Heidi's making her choices here. Always good to go slow. Oh, that's so pretty, that watercolor. Okay, see which way she chose. Closer, Heidi. How's it look? Ooh! Wow, that's gorgeous. Look at that, guys. Oh, we're not even into the big fall yet. This is a little one. Gorgeous. I didn't know this existed. Wow.
Paradise. We are at Stoddard Falls, San Gabriel Mountains.
Yeah, where? So we're going in, hopefully the lighting. God, this place is gorgeous. Ooh.
Well, that was amazing. Looked like a tropical paradise. But we're in California, Southern California, San Gabriel Mountains. 100-degree weather today, but refreshing, cool. We stayed cool. There was shade along the trail. It was amazing.
Much better than we expected.
Yes.
That's the truth.
Oh, what a surprise.
Yeah, so signing off with Hike Bites. Come explore nature with us on the next hike. One bite at a time.
One bite.